back in Bhatti Village for the third time in 3 days. That's how much I like the authentic Catholic Goan food they make here. It's amazing. So I'm back in Bhatti Village for the third time in one trip because I'm obsessed with the food here because it doesn't get more authentic. This is Royston. When was this place established?
There was a small place in 1996. So in the 90s it was. So then for a lot of years it was closed down.
Okay.
So then we thought of reopening it and making it a little bigger.
So this was always by your mom?
My mom and my dad.
I'm sorry, I'm gonna keep eating and
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So my mom and dad they started this place in then eventually like maybe 17 years now that we have reopened it from 1996.
Okay.
So from that day onwards, we have made it a little full-fledged, a little bigger.
Okay.
And I'm also involved in it now.
Whose idea was it to open this place?
My dad's. So he wanted, because he has been in this business for almost 40 years now. Because he used to run his my dad's brother's restaurants in Panjim. From that experience, he thought of reopening of his own restaurant.
Okay. But the idea that your mother will be cooking was always fixed?
Yes, it was.
Okay, that's lovely because that's how it's so homely.
Yeah, my mom is a great cook.
Duh.
Yeah.
How important is food in your family?
It runs through our veins.
I can see
from
that.
the beginning, we have food has always been the first priority.
I'm so glad for myself. Out of everything that your mother cooks, what is your favorite dish?
No, we don't have like a specific.
No, your favorite dish.
No, we like everything.
But something you've grown up with and you're like, okay, if this is the last dish I will try from your mom, this is what I want my mom to cook.
No, not exactly.
You have to give me one answer. Okay, give me 3-4 dishes that is in your top.
Yeah, so I like the pork roast here, which is really nice. Then even the fried suckling, baby pork.
Okay. And my last question, why is it called Bhatti Village?
So in the olden days, they used to remove alcohol, like the cashew fenny or the coconut fenny.
Right.
And to distill the alcohol, they used to require a distillery known as Bhatti, which is a fenny brewing distillery.
Okay.
So that even the area name is known as Bhatti because of the distillery which they had earlier.
Okay.
So they used to relate some names, so if something is happening in a particular area, they used to give names according to that. So then we also sort of giving our restaurant name as Bhatti, Bhatti Village.
So that's the basic
means
emotion towards it.
Yes, it is. Yeah.
Okay. So I recommend everyone that if you want to have really good Catholic Goan food, this is the place to come. This is my third trip here in one trip to Goa. So that should say something. So give it a try and let me know how you like it.